What is up, guys? Today we got the Rolling Thunder final assortment. I had a coupon. It was originally $179, but it was only $74 with the coupon. Let's get into it. And it comes taped, so if you get it, don't just go trying to pull it. I need something to cut it. Right into the box. Watch some 200-gram cakes. Red, white, and blue. I will not be shipping these off today, but in another video, I probably will. Alright, red, white, and blue. My hand. I'm a kid, I'm 10, so pretty big. Alright. And this is 2025, so you might see some other ones, and they're probably not the same. Okay, here is Emerald City. 16 shots. Sorry, that was 16 shots too. It's got a plastic bottom, just like all the other ones do. In comparison, got the same, I think. Size, yeah, it's pretty much the same. Okay. Now you got Saturn battery. 100 shots. Now, you're like, oh my god, at first. So you take it out. It's the ones that shoot those balls out like, and they're not the ones that go. And I mean, honestly, this probably looks like $30 for 100 shots. Now that's not the crazy part, because the crazy part is something coming up in the video. Now we got this. Oh my god, I didn't take this out. This is really light. Crackling pearls, 49 shots. It's decent, really light. I know, I love fireworks, and it's a good deal. Next up, I'll get into this one, not this one yet. I think this is a fountain. Guessing from the top and from the way it is. Let's read this caution. Blah blah. And let's say don't hold in hand. Uh-oh, guys. It's in my hand. Alright. Oh god, look at the tight feet. Squeeze. How do you get this back in? Oh, dang. Oh, that's really tight. At first, I thought these were together. That's how tight they were and stuff. I was like, oh my god, this fits. Next up. Oh yeah, still find that. Very loud. I'm guessing this is another. Wait. Maybe not. I don't know. Is it? Can you hear that? For safety. 150 feet. What is this? I don't know what it is. Oh, as you can see, this fell. It does come in here. Wolfpack bang snaps. Fun trick noise. Super loud. I don't know about the super loud part. That right there. Now put this back. I am not taking a lot out at once. I might get that at the end of the video. Near the end of it, because like at the end I might have to look back at the video to see if I put the back right. Here we got this. something I was waiting to show you. Copperhead mini shell kit. Ooh, it's got a QR code. I'll have to scan that later. So, you do get this in the other one, I think. But I was expecting that one for sure. Because there's a guy on YouTube I watch named Cody B Pyrotechnics. And he does a bunch of fireworks, so I recommend watching him. Okay. From the top you can see toot and twirl. 7 shots. Sword color. Twirls whip into a silver showers. I love those. These, not talking about the fireworks. Talk about the fuse protectors. Flame ball kit. Why is it all got this for safety? I don't care about the full safety. I don't like it. They do anything to me. It's a firework. No, just kidding. Always look at the full safety. Don't follow my rules. Oh, from the top, you can already see them. It's a mini. It's a larger one of this. I'm guessing size doesn't matter. Yeah, size don't matter. Maybe it's a danger with it just rip me off like that. Can you see anything in there? Size comparison. I'm guessing it starts right here and goes still far down. I'm trying to turn on the light. Oh, I see it, bro. It's like right here. Like right there. Where my finger starts. What's about the size of this? This one. 7 shots. For the exciting one I was telling you about, coming up in the later video. Saturn battery, 29 shots. Wanna know something? Saturn battery. 25 shots, muscle, not 29. 100 shots. It's a mini one. It's really cool, very cool. Now for the last firework is Galaxy? Gallery? I'm gonna have to put my phone down to get this one out. Oh look, I just got a Cody B Pyrotechnics 200 plus strobe rocket notification from YouTube. So I have 4 pieces. Galley. However you pronounce that word. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure they didn't rip me off. 7 inch. 7 inch from there to there. 7 inch would be like this big wide, it's supposed to be. But it's fine. 7 inch sorted floral shells. Well, that's about it, but I gotta take all of these out. And you see this mini shell? Guess what? I'm getting 3 of those for $35 plus tax. It's a coupon. I'm gonna put this down and get all of them out. Now the time to go get a snack. Won't be long though.